Targus USB-C docking stations expand your laptop's single USB-C port into multiple connections for monitors, peripherals, and internet. First, check that your laptop's USB-C port supports power delivery for charging and video output for displays. Connect the docking station to your laptop by plugging it into the USB-C port. Next, connect your peripherals. Monitors using HDMI or DisplayPort cables, Ethernet for wired internet, and USB devices like keyboards or mice. Driver installation is typically automatic on Windows and Mac. If required, download the latest drivers from the Targus website. Finally, configure your displays in your operating system settings. On Windows, go to Settings and then Display. On Mac, use System Preferences and then Displays to extend or mirror your screen. Targus docks support extended, mirrored, or duplicate displays. Prioritize your primary display in OS settings for multi-monitor setups. If your dock supports power delivery, connect it to prevent battery drain. If you experience display issues, restart your devices and check your cable connections. Targus docks adhere to USB-C standards, USB 3.2 Gen 2, ensuring data speeds up to 10 gigp and video via DP Alt Mode 1.4. If a lock is available, enable it for security.